Hello my beautiful audience, welcome back to Miss Queen. In this video I'm gonna show you that I got a $20 job at Fiverr, and you're gonna be surprised that there was only $20 job, but you can see that I need to reskin 1, 2 and 3 applications. It's gonna be boom that I talked with my client that I gonna connect in the Fiverr applications backend, and the applications need to be workable. But after when we deal, and you can see that my client sent me 3 applications, so he asking me that I need to reskin 3 applications. It's really impossible to do the work at only $20 price. So I gonna ask my client that he need to pay $100 at least, but he said that I need to do the work at $20. So what can you do in that situation? So guys, I will suggest you that you don't harass your client. You just need to contact Fiverr, and you can cancel that order, or you can ask your client friendly that you wanna get more, or you wanna get extra charge to do the work. So that's the videos for today. If you feel that that's helpful to you, so do a thumbs up my YouTube channel, and let's see you in the next videos.